Welcome back to Patman Garage. We are due for another oil change and right at 5,000 miles on this oil, and getting ready to do a road trip tonight. So I wanted to knock this out before we get too much further, and we'll see how much oil consumption we have suffered this oil change. All right, so just got done wrapping up on my oil change on Sylvie, my 18. The truck has right at 5,000 miles, 4,950 or something like that on this oil change. And we got out right at 8 quarts of oil on it, so that's pretty good. I only added 1 quart, so it's actually seeming like the oil consumption's maybe slightly better than it has been in the past, at least with this trip. I don't know what that means, but I'll take a win. But anyways, I was shooting footage outside, but it's really windy, so I jumped in the truck to talk to you guys. But anyways, I will show you the oil I got out of it and show you my oil change book as well. All right, so here's our oil change. So this was last year. We had, so top of the page here is last year, and we did right at 5,000 miles in the last about last 10 months or so. And that's the benefit of working from home. And I've got my notes of here of adding 1 quart of oil right before Christmas trip, and you can see in the last less than a month, I put 1,000 miles on the truck. So it's been driven a lot in the last month comparatively, compared to the last few months this past year. But anyways, I will show you the oil that we got out. So recently also replaced my battery. This is a larger battery than what, physically larger than what was in here. It's about 1.5 inches longer. I'm gonna try this. I've never put a quart of oil in my engine bay before, just hanging out, but I think that's actually a pretty good spot. It might actually sit there without causing any problems. So we'll maybe experiment with that, see how that works. I did drain my catch can. It's the I want to say it's a VMP, but maybe it's a, I don't remember. Maybe it's a, I got a video on it somewhere. I don't remember off the top of my head what brand catch can that is. But anyways, got the catch can drained out. There was not a whole lot in there. And yeah, we got her all back together. And we'll walk over here and take a look at the oil. So that's our oil we got out. We are right at 4 quarts in each bottle. There was a tiny bit of power steering fluid that was in the drain pan when I started, but overall that's all just from this truck. So here we go. All right, so overall I'm pretty happy with the oil change here. I'm glad it's definitely not getting worse. I've been keeping track of it pretty much its entire life and have never had any worsening oil change issues, so that's good. But anyways, we'll sign off today. Appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.